In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your account name on Notion. Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to change your account name on Notion, step by step. We'll keep it simple, and I'll share a few tips so everything goes smoothly the first time. First, open Notion. If you're using a browser, head to notion.so and log into the account you want to update. If you prefer the desktop app, open it the same way. Everything we're about to do looks nearly identical. If you manage multiple workspaces or accounts, double-check that you're signed in to the right one before moving on. Next, open Settings and Members. You'll find this in the left sidebar. Click it to open your account settings. This is where Notion keeps all your personal details and workspace preferences in one place, so it's the perfect spot for changing your display name. Now go to your profile. Click your profile avatar in the top left corner, then choose either View Profile or Edit Profile. Both options take you to your profile details, where you can adjust how your name appears across Notion. Let's edit your name. Click into the name field and type your new first and last name exactly how you'd like it to appear. This is the name others will see in shared pages, comments, mentions, and the workspace members list. If your team uses naming standards, like including a preferred name or an initial, go ahead and format it to match. Take a moment to check for typos or extra spaces so it looks clean and professional. When you're done, save your changes. Depending on your version of Notion, you may see a Save button. Click it. In many cases, Notion saves automatically as soon as you click away from the field. Either way, your new name should now appear in your workspace. You can confirm by glancing at your avatar, checking a comment thread, or opening the members list. Your updated name will be visible there. Changes take effect right away across your pages, so there's nothing else you need to do. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your account name on Notion without any hassle. If you ever need to tweak it again, just revisit the same profile area and update the name field. And that's how you change your account name on Notion. Quick and easy. Like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials.